Pretty much radio.
Nico from the
Win radio.
Put us on the sky. Burn it.
Welcome to the world of learning. I did that.
Click it. It there. You got apps, you know, you got CarPlay, you got Android, CarPlay, you know, you got maps. And it's accurate. And that's where I'm at right now. That's pretty accurate. Good to go. I installed this pretty much by myself. Didn't go to a radio shop to do this. I can do this myself. I'm pretty mechanically inclined, so I can pretty much do simple to medium projects on my car, as long as I don't have to go up under the car, because I don't have any jacks or lifts or anything like that. So I take it to my guy, my Ford mechanic guy, who exclusively works on my car when I need pretty much more heavy-duty maintenance. But other than that, yeah, this system's pretty good. It comes with 2 SDs, 2 USBs. Comes with a SIM card slot to connect, and so far, so good. So far, so good. You got your Android settings here. Okay, you got your car settings. Took me about 2 hours to install GPS. You can see where I'm at, latitude and longitude, so that's working. Pretty nice system. YouTube, I gotta install more apps. We only have the generic basic apps right now, but we can install as many apps. This thing has we have the upgraded what is it, I'm trying to think how much memory storage space capacity I have. I think it's close to a terabyte. I think it's low on a terabyte. Oh, almost a terabyte of storage data that I can store. It's still basically new. We haven't uploaded pictures or anything like that, videos of our own yet. You can also install your own images. You can also do, if you want to do a logo, yeah, you can do a custom logo. I might upload a custom logo. Bluetooth, it has no problem. I'm connected right now to Bluetooth. You see my iPhone here, and AC works fine. Blows cold, and I have CarPlay. My wife's connected to CarPlay right now, but we have CarPlay. So it's a great system. DSP settings, again, man, it works. This equalizer, it just really enhances your B&O system, your Sony system. I know the Fords come with either B&O or Sony, so whatever stereo system you have, it will enhance it. Trust me on that. And you hear her in the background. This is her, Deja, in my lap while I, she loves to be in the car, drive. But yeah, great system, man. So far, so good. Haven't had any problems with the install. Like I said, the actual install took about an hour. Configuration took another hour, so roughly a little less than an hour for configuration. So roughly a little under 2 hours to complete this project. And if you're patient, mechanically inclined, pretty much know wires, cables, follow directions, you can do this yourself. You don't have to pay no one to do it. Like I said, it took me a little under 2 hours to completely get it all installed. And I mean, it's great feature. Swipe, disappear, get rid of them.
Ba mo? Or mo yun ba mo? Oy, boss. O, schedule lang ha. Isa ra ba complete eh.
When you do a search, hold on, let me turn that down. So when you do a search, it automatically fills in all of your local radio stations that it can find. You don't have to do any finding it hard press. It simply goes out there, loads all your radio stations from one. So for right now, I have 1 through 15 radio stations right now. So that's pretty much it. It's a good system so far. Beautiful screen, big. We can see everything. Much better than my original Sync 2 on my Ford. That came with the Ford. Much better. Android and CarPlay together on one unit. You can't beat that. You got your AC, and I got dual setup here. AC on. So you got my truck comes with heated front and rear seats. Well, front row, heated front row, and heated second row seats, and all that works. All right, so you can definitely, if need be, you can, cool it, go to rear. As you can see, you can do the same thing with the rear, control the rear from here with your air con or heat. In the Philippines, we never need heat, of course, but it's there. If you so need it, rear defrost, front defrost, again, circulation, what I keep mine on to circulate the cabin air, pretty much. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, I mean, it's a neat system. A lot of configurations you can do when you go to settings. You got your all different settings here: car settings, brightness, logo settings, radio settings. You got your other settings here. Very neat unit. I like it. So pretty much it. Thanks for watching.